Hi there! Hello, hello. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna make my second version of Poinsettia. So I have a video that has the first version with 4 different kinds of petal. For this one, I only have 2. Without further ado, let's proceed. So we have the pattern for the first petal, or the base petal, and then we have the more intricate patterns and your base and your centers. So we are gonna do for this petal, we're gonna fold it like an accordion or accordion style. And then for the second petal, it will have a slit. So we're gonna close it so it will have an angle. And your base. So let's just proceed, and then we're gonna keep or set aside the center first. So let's go with your first one. So how do you do an accordion fold? So what I usually do, what's easy for me is that, so fold it in half. And then it's like, if it's facing on me, let's say this is facing on you. So this will be your right side, right? So I'm just gonna turn it for a while. And then, so what you're gonna do is that in the middle, fold it like that. So middle, again, middle, fold it like that. We're gonna do 5 folds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 folds. So I'm gonna do it on my side first. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can add another one. So you see, and then you open it. See, so let's do it for everything. We can actually fold 2 at a time. So your side, so that's your accordion folds. And then okay, so let's organize this. So here's your first petal, so set it aside. And our second petal, so we're gonna close it. For my reference, I would just use the corner or a little bit with an excess. I'll just use the corner as a reference on where it ends. So let's okay. So the second petal actually has like, as you can see. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that all of it is on the same orientation, because this is the tricky part in this pattern. So you see what I'm doing? Flip, flip. Okay, so this is my front, so I'm gonna work on that. I mean, if you want to switch it up, it's very, very fine. It's up to you. I'm just providing the pattern. So, grab your base and let's proceed. I'm gonna place the petal here. And grab your second petal. Let's position it here. So in the middle. And for the center, so we'll use two sizes, so the large one and the smaller one. So for the large one, so fold it in the kind of edge here. So yeah, and then what I would do is that I would grab something circular, whatever circular, whatever cylindrical, and then let's kind of fold the edges. So you can do it that way. And the smaller one, so yep, a second version of my poinsettia. Yay, kinda like it. I love it. What are the facts here? Where did I get the paper? I got the paper from Michaels. This is like 50 packs, just this color, which I love. I really love the redness of it. This is like I'm not sure what the title is, but it's like a different tints of red. And then these are like 10 pieces per color, so it has 5 different tints of red. Yep, and then this one I used, I showed this on my first poinsettia video, but I used this. So this just a cream colored cardstock. I just used spray paint. This spray paint. I love this one. This is matte. This is kind of matte, but I love this. Relatively matte. Yep, so those are the materials. Okay, if you have any more questions, feel free to, yeah, that's Casper barking. Feel free to leave a message or send me a message or whatever to connect with me. I would, if not immediately, but I would most likely reply at some point in time, but I usually reply. Yep, so thanks for watching.